Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you realistic VFX in HDRI. Let's get started. And press A, select all and X to delete, and Shift A, add in a camera, and Alt R, reset, rotation transform, and R, rotate X 90 degrees, and G, Z, move up, and go to world properties and color and environment texture add, and click open. Choose HDRI, and this HDRI in my Telegram channel. Download link in the description, and select the HDRI, open image, and go to render it. Cool, very good. And select camera, press 0 to camera view, and go to object properties and lock the location transform or lock the scale transform, and press N to N panel and go to view and check camera to view, and good, and move is good, and select the camera, go to camera properties and focal length type 28 is good, really good, and Shift A, add in a plane for shadow catcher, and G, select the plane, G, X, move X axis, and good, and select the camera and go to location and unlock the Z location, and camera is move up, this place is good a little bit, and try lock the camera transform location is very good, and the X axis is not perfect, and go to shading and object, change to world, and select the HDRI node and press Ctrl T and check this add-on and edit preferences add-on and type node Wrangler add-on checked, and so preferences, and select the HDRI and Ctrl T, and yeah, and rotation, press 0 to camera view and Z rotation, and X axis on, and the X axis very good, and go to layout, and yes, really cool, and select the plane and Shift Z, this and S to scale, and Shift S, cursor to selected, and cursor, and Shift A, add in a monkey, and S to scale, GZ, move up or to rotate X a little bit, yes, really cool, and if you want to do shadow cutter in cycle, very easy, and render engine, change to cycles, device, change to GPU compute, and very good, and select the plane and go to object properties and visibility, and check the mask shadow cutter is very good, very easy in cycles, very easy shadow, yes, is very good track, is very good track in Blender, and go to render engine and change to EV, and yeah, this model in my Telegram channel, download link in the description, and Ctrl C, delete the monkey, and Ctrl V, hide plane, and select the model and Shift S, selection to cursor, and we record GX and try GX and go to camera view and point change to 3D cursor and press 3 numpad and select all the energy can and move up a little bit and press 0 to camera view and S to scale up and GZ and very good track and good. And 150 and Shift D, duplicate and yeah, GY, GX, auto rotate, change point to individual origin and auto rotate little bit and good and Shift D, duplicate and Shift D, duplicate is very good track and VFX in Blender and select camera and auto keying is on and press G and select click and add a keyframe for camera and go to 550 frames and the can is and very good animation. And I want one more can and Shift D, Z, GY and GZ and GY no delete the can and very good track and press spacebar, play animation it's very good animation. Thank you for watching and please like and subscribe. See you next one.